To connect MetaMask to Matchain wallet, you need to follow a series of steps. First, ensure you have the MetaMask extension installed on your browser. If not, download and install it from the official MetaMask website. Next, create a MetaMask account by clicking on the MetaMask icon in your browser and following the prompts. You will be asked to create a password and back up your seed phrase. Keep your seed phrase safe as it is the key to recovering your account in case you lose access. Now, go to the Matchain wallet website and click on the Connect Wallet button. Select MetaMask from the list of available wallets. You will be redirected to the MetaMask extension where you will be asked to confirm the connection. Click on the Next button and then Connect. You will see a prompt asking you to select the accounts you want to connect to Matchain wallet. Choose the account you want to connect and click Next. Then click Connect to confirm the connection. You will be redirected back to the Matchain wallet website where you will see your MetaMask account connected. You can now use your MetaMask account to interact with the Matchain wallet ecosystem. It is essential to remember to always keep your seed phrase and password safe to prevent unauthorized access to your account. Also, be cautious when connecting your wallet to any website as it may pose security risks. Only connect your wallet to trusted websites to minimize the risk of losing your assets. By following these steps, you can easily connect your MetaMask to Matchain wallet and start exploring the Matchain ecosystem. Remember to always prioritize security and only connect your wallet to trusted websites.